Starting a business in your 40s or 50s can feel overwhelming, like it is too late or too risky. But the truth is, it's only hard until you shift your mindset and follow the right steps. I am Davis, and I started my own pressure washing business from scratch later in life. No investors, no big money, just pure work, hard work. And today, I'm going to share with you what makes starting a business easier, faster, and more realistic than most people think. This video is for anyone in their 40s or 50s who is thinking about starting a pressure washing business or any other service-based business and needs clarity, confidence, and a roadmap. If that's you, let's dive in. 1. Start with service, not products. Service businesses like pressure washing, window cleaning, junk removal, etc. are easier to start because 1. You don't need inventory. 2. You can launch with under $1,000. 3. Demand is local and consistent. Start with a need that exists in your neighborhood. People need clean patios, driveways, and gutters, even if the economy slows down. 2. Stop overthinking, start executing. It is hard at first because most people wait too long to get started. You don't need a perfect name, logo, or a truck. You need one customer and one success story. Ask yourself, what can I do with what I already have today? 3. Use your age as leverage. Being in your 40s or 50s is an advantage. Why? Because you're more reliable, you communicate better, you understand customer service, you most likely already have basic tools and contacts. Clients trust older service providers more than some teenager with a van and flashy TikToks. 4. Get comfortable with marketing. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Print 50 to 100 flyers. Go knocking on doors. Post local Facebook ads. 5. Use momentum, not motivation. Waiting to feel ready will keep you stuck. Start small, get a win, and use that momentum to move forward. For example, you clean one driveway, take the pictures, post it online, and offer the next 5 clients a discount. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, drop a comment below. I am ready to start. And don't forget to subscribe. I share real business advice based on what I'm doing in my pressure washing business.